Hi and welcome to Swedish Plant Guys. In this video we give you 5 quick tips on the Monstera Deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant. But all of these tips concern the different varieties of Monsteras, so if you have another variety, we cover them as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. That really helps our channel a lot. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos. Number 1. Juvenile Monstera Deliciosa does not have, or usually doesn't have, any fenestrations on them. Fenestrations are these nicely split leaves. As you can see on this plant here, the oldest leaves, when it was even younger, does not have fenestrations on them. However, as it has become older and bigger, you get the fenestrations on the leaves. So if you have a juvenile plant, don't worry, just have patience, because as it grows, as it becomes older, you get the fenestrations. Keep it in a spot where you have a lot of indirect sunlight and it will reward you with big fenestrated leaves. Number 2. Try and repot your Monstera often. And by often I mean every year or every other year. The reason for that is that the Monstera has quite an extensive root system. And the more the roots can grow, the thicker they will become and the more leaves you will get on your plant. And the more leaves you get, the bigger they get and the more fenestrations they get. So repot often, but always repot only in one size bigger or 2 sizes bigger. Never in a huge container. Just step it up every year or every other year and it will reward you. Number 3, use something to support the stems of your Monstera, because after a while it will grow and it will become quite heavy. If you do not use something to support that weight, they could break off. And try and use, for instance, bamboo sticks, some sort of wire or rope, but you can also take advantage of a repot and put in a moss pole that it can climb on as well. But use something to support it, otherwise you can get problems. Number 4, prune your Monstera often if you do not have the room for it. It has gotten its name Monstera because it becomes a monster. It will take up a lot of space in your home. If you do not have that space and you do not want it to become that big, then prune it often. When you prune it, you go in and you prune in between 2 nodes on the stem. And you can prune here any time of year. However, it's always better to prune in the beginning of spring when the plant has been dormant and is ready to start to grow again. But you can do it any time of year, and this will make sure that your plant keeps a smaller size in your home. Number 5, Monsteras love high humidity. If you have a humidity of 60% or higher in your room, it will thrive. So if you know that your humidity drops in wintertime, make sure to do something about that. You could go out and buy a humidifier, which increases the humidity in the entire room. Or you can also place some just small saucers with water around your plant, and that will also help raise that humidity. Now, if you want to know more about the Monstera Deliciosa, we have an in-depth video you can go and watch where you get all you need to know about this plant. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps our channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Hit the bell as well so you get a notification every time we put up something new. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos and sometimes a little bit more. Until next time. Hej då!